Today I'll be showing you how to put the top down on a 2019 Chevrolet Camaro. First thing you're gonna notice, you try and push the button, so it won't let you, and it'll give you a warning. It'll come up with a warning to extend the cargo shade. I'm gonna show you how to do that. You're gonna wanna hit the trunk button right here, and come around back. Now the trunk shade, it's gonna be right down here. You'll wanna bring it up, and you're gonna hook it right here, and this one right here as well. Now you can go ahead and retract the sunroof. Now that the top is down and stowed away, you can enjoy. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below. If the video helped out, please like and subscribe. Thank you.